Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use customizable cutout in CapCut PC. Actually, customized cutout feature is not available in CapCut PC free version yet. It is available in your mobile version and in the Pro version, but in the CapCut PC free version, there is no features of customized cutout. But you can remove background or cut out any object in CapCut PC. For this, you have to upload your video. Here I'm going to select these two video. One is as the background video, as the main video, and you have to add another video as overlay, and you have to add the video overlay which you want to cut out. Just like this, I want to cut out this video, this person, this smiling person. I want to cut out this smiling person, and I want to remove the background of this video. Now click on it, and from here you will find remove BG, that's been remove background, and you can simply click on auto removal. As you can see, the processing has been started in CapCut, so you have to wait to complete this processing. Now after completing the process, you will find that the background is perfectly removed from this video, and you can see the person is simply focused in this video, and its background has removed and the person has remained in this video. So that's how you can cut out any video, but you cannot customize this. It will only catch any type of object by the CapCut artificial intelligence. Also, you can easily remove any blue screen or green screen videos background by this chroma key feature. For example, I'm going to use this video, and I will place this at overlay, then click on chroma key and click on this color capture icon and place it on the green side of this video, and it will capture the green color. Now you have to adjust the intensity of this green screen, just like this. After you adjust this intensity perfectly, you can see the remaining green feather on this video has successfully removed, and it is perfect. Now you can find any green screen in the background of this video. Now you can use this video anywhere you want. Just like this, you can remove a background of a video. Also, you can remove your blue screen or green screen of any type of videos. And also, if you want to use the customized cutout feature on CapCut, so you just need to purchase the Pro version of CapCut PC, and in the mobile version it is now available for you. By this feature, you can add or remove any object by selecting this through a brush feature on this customized cutout feature. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.